Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing weight management strategies. In this fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy weight can be quite challenging. Whether you are looking to shed a few pounds or just want to maintain your current weight, it's important to adopt effective strategies that work for you. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of creating a balanced diet. A balanced diet consists of all the essential nutrients your body needs, including proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. It's not about restricting yourself from certain foods, but rather making healthy choices. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet. This will not only provide you with the necessary nutrients, but also keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. In addition to a balanced diet, regular physical activity is crucial for weight management. Engaging in some form of exercise on a daily basis can help you maintain or even lose weight. It can be as simple as taking a brisk walk or trying out a new workout routine. Find an activity that you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to physical activity. Another important strategy for weight management is portion control. It's easy to overeat, especially when we're surrounded by large portion sizes. Understanding portion sizes and practicing mindful eating can make a significant difference. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly and savor each bite. This will help you avoid mindless snacking and make healthier choices. In addition to these strategies, it's important to stay hydrated and get enough sleep. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help curb your appetite and keep you hydrated. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormone levels, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to support your weight management goals. To sum it all up, weight management is a journey that requires a combination of strategies. Creating a balanced diet, incorporating regular physical activity, practicing portion control, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep are all key components. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another, so it's important to find strategies that resonate with you and your lifestyle. Give yourself time, be patient, and most importantly, be kind to yourself throughout this process. Remember, you've got this. Thank you all for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Take care, and until next time.